Hey guys, welcome to my channel Coding by Her. Coding by Her.
Today we are going to discuss about Scratch. Scratch is a very easy programming language. In this, you don't really have to write a code because there are so many blocks of codes. You just have to arrange those blocks and you can develop a game. You can create stories, you can create animation and so many other things too. Alright, so let's get started. So let me tell you one thing, Scratch is actually developed for kids, but nowadays people from any age uses this. To create a project in Scratch, you just have to go to create. But before that, let me tell you the link how to go to this page. So you just have to search for Scratch on Google and you will be redirected toward this link, which is scratch.mit.edu. Just click on that and click on create. Now you can create a whole new project. Alright, so this is how it looks. Here we are going to code our game. Alright, you just have to name this project. Suppose my first project. Okay. So in this video, I'm just giving you a basic introduction about Scratch. Alright, in next video, we will learn how to create a game. So just, see all of these things. We will explore about this window. So as you can see, there is one cat over here. Let's move this cat. So there is this option in your left side, move 10 steps. So as you can see, the cat is moving. If I want to rotate the direction of this cat, then I'll click on this. Don't worry, I'll explain you how to do this, but I'm just, we will just explore. So there is costume part. In this, you can change some, movement or costume of this character. There is sound part. We will see all of this in detail. You can add so many other characters also. So let's add this apple in it. You can move this. You can add any other character also. Suppose I'm adding this girl, which is Abby. Okay, suppose I want to add some other thing. Suppose this crab looks cute, so then you can change the background of this scenario by there are so many scenarios. You can select any one or any two or any three among all this. Yeah, so this is what we have done, and there are so many things you can explore in this. There are so many tutorials in this. You can select any tutorial and watch this tutorial.
To get started, pick a sprite. I'll pick the saxophone.
If you want any other language, you can click on this. So there are so many things we can explore. Here we can resize this window. Alright, so this was just a basic introduction of Scratch. We will discuss and we will create a new game in our next video. So stay tuned, guys. Bye bye. See you.